Hey guys, it's Zainab. So in this video, I think I'm going to go double fame. So, yeah. So let's just do that so people will start to help me. But, yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I'm like so scared no one's going to help me. Okay, let's just go for it. Oh, is this double fame? Yeah, oh my god, okay, go. Okay. Double fame. 4 2s. 0. Out top. 30. Oh no, I wrote all 2s wrong. Oh my god. 4 2s. Okay, so I've been saving up my awards and my Fame magazine. So, oh my god, I'm already nearly level 17 and I've only just started. Okay, let's go to the Fame magazine. This is going to get me a lot. I'm not even joking. Yeah, this is going to get me. Okay, let's go. I've literally saved this up so much. Okay guys, you ready? Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like this is going to get me to level 17. Oh, come on. Yes! I'm level 17! Oh my god, yes! Yes. Let's see what colour I should put this in. That's like the start of the video. By the way, sorry headphone users. Oh my god. Is this a rare? I don't know. Yay, I'm 17. Oh my god, I've been level 16 for so long you don't even understand how excited I am. I don't know what colour to put this. Should I leave it that pink it was? Let's see white. And then white. Oh, come on, white. And then black belt. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Oh my god. Yeah, oh my god. I can't believe I just started. And it's like gonna go on for like an hour now. Don't worry, I'm not gonna record for the full hour. Oh my god, that's so... Oh my god. I'm sorry, I keep on saying oh my god. See, I'm a good idea. Wait, no, I'm not actually. Oh, and also, I'm now VIP on my backup account. So if you want to help me on that, then like to level up, because I'm not really a good high level. I've just leveled up, but I'm still not a high level. So it would mean a lot to me if you help me level up on it. And I'm just going to see what this dress looks like. Oh my god, it doesn't look too bad to be honest. Okay. Should I put the fishnet tights on or not? Because I had them on before, I was like, oh, I don't know. The only thing is that annoys me is that bit, but I think I'm just going to put them on because it suits my look even more. Oh my god. Alright, I need to get me some more fame because I'm going to love that. I'm just going to love that because she needs to level up. Yeah, so this is my backup account. Go on, add it as Crystal ZX like this. You can't really see it, so I'm just going to type it there. Crystals like that. So go and add it if you want. You don't have to. But yeah, I'm VIP on this, so okay. Let's see. Oh my god, I don't know what to do now. 56 minutes left, okay. Oh, that actually went quite quick. No, it's actually not. Yeah, how do you get fame? Let's see how to get fame. VIP, watch movies, get autographs. Okay, I think I'm gonna, oh yeah, I can give autographs more often because I'm VIP, so I'm gonna give me autographs. And it'll give me, fame too. I'm just emptying this piggy bank a lot. I'm gonna love my room. Room. Okay. What else should I do? Okay, I'm gonna go to the Fame magazine now. Okay. Oh, people have to give me autographs. Come on, guys, it's so mean. God, no one likes me. I'm gonna ask Amelia to give me autographs. I'm just gonna send this to everyone, this autos please, so except for me obviously. Just gonna copy and paste it to literally everyone. Thank you! I really want it by the end of the video so you could see the fame, if you know what I mean. Okay. I'll just ask her, okay. Caitlin Cupcake. Oh yeah, and everyone that gives me autographs will get a shout out. Oh god. Trash bag. Early hope. Yes, okay. Come on. Oh, that didn't give me a lot. Okay, how much? Wow, I've got a lot left. Come on. No one's gonna give me. Oh, let's see who else is online. Wait, who's that? Oh, I feel like I should go on all my other accounts. Need another one? 10 minutes, okay. So I think I have to give my autos every 15 minutes or something. But let's log into my other accounts and give them the autographs. Thank you, Selfie, for giving me an autograph. So, 4:30. I bet if I say I'm recording, people think that will give me more autographs. Whoever helps the most. Okay. People help me. I've not been on Double Fame in ages. Okay, let's go on my other accounts. Give autograph. I like how it comes in rainbow on that bit. Oh my god, it's not. Right, I've got 47 minutes left. No, it's still not showing the bar, so let's carry on. Giving autographs. I've not got any more accounts to put autos on it. Oh yeah, sorry if you can hear music in the background. Yeah. I really need to give me an autograph. 4 minutes, oh my god. This is so annoying. Okay. What can we do to... Okay, we can go on create and rate. Oh, let's do this. Hope this gets a lot. Not that bad actually. Oh, come on. I bet it's not showing just because of that. It's really big. Yeah. Thank you, Brian, for giving me an autograph. I've got like 38 minutes left. Hopefully I can give an autograph to myself now. Yes. How much did that earn? 180. But it's double, so it's like 360. Bam. I think I'm gonna go and play dress up because you get like fame from it if you win. I literally don't know what to do. I've got 28 minutes left. Okay, let's take care of my pets though. Okay. Feed one of your pets. I have 3 pets. Moana, Melody, and Crystal. Wow, I got 10 fame. Well, I got 20. I think I get like fame or something when it levels up. So I'm gonna level it up. Yes, I leveled it up and I got money, not fame. But oh well. Okay, now it's glitching, so I have to refresh. Let's go on my backup account, see if I can give me another autograph. Where am I? There. 4 minutes again. Every time I try to, it's 4 minutes left. Oh my god. I guess if I create a load of random art books, then I would get fame, I guess. I'm gonna watch some movies. Let's watch some movies. Friends, let's do Friends. Okay, let's do short movies because I've got some fame and I'm gonna get more. How much did I get? Wow, that's actually a lot. Okay. More money and fame. I think I'm just gonna watch a load of movies. I can just about see it. Can you see that there, that little line? I can see that. I'm gonna get more. Come on, get a lot. Oh my god, okay. Please tell me that gets a lot. Yeah, I guess. Now it's glitching, guys, so I'm going to refresh real quick. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did get to level 17 in like the first few seconds of the video. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!